Okay, this is what I found on SlideShare. This PowerPoint is about the solar system, and my 5th grade students just finished learning about the solar system and the stars and the planets. The first thing that I noticed is the title is all in caps locks. The first page of content has a lot of information on it. It's much too much for a reader to take in. This is sort of an odd font that they used. Also, the majority of the text on this page is in caps lock. Some of it is underlined as well. What I did not like about this slide showing the inner planets, they are not in order, and also Pluto is not an inner planet. The following slides have each of the planets and just some interesting facts about them. There's not a whole lot of consistency to the content that are in the slides. Again, they bulleted, which was nice, but there's bold print, underlined text, and the background picture is a little distracting. White text is hard to read on this page. Again, different fonts for each of the title pages, bold print, underlined text. Here is a slide on the outer planets. So again, they're not in order. This is one of the slides that I combined with the inner planet slides for the PowerPoint that I redid. As you can notice, when they could not make the text visible, they chose to make some of the letters a different color. This stood out to me as being a little odd. Again, different fonts. This appears to be a little bit bigger font size. This was one of the other slides that I chose to fix up in my PowerPoint. I thought that this font was difficult to read, and again, we're noticing random letters here and there that are in a different color to try to make the text more visible over top of such a large background image. Okay, so this is the PowerPoint that I designed. I combined the slides for the inner and outer planets. I gave a brief description of why the inner and outer planets are named that, because they're separated by the asteroid belt. I listed them in order, and I thought that this visual was much better to show here are the inner planets, they're separated by the asteroid belt, and then these are the outer planets. I also redid the slide on Neptune. I took the same graphic, but I made it much smaller, so it was easier to read the text. I also found a simple graphic to show where Neptune is in relation to the other planets, and this is to help the reader better understand with more simplified graphics.